Hi, Joshua.
Hey Ramah, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? All
I'm doing well.
right. Well, I'm super excited to have this conversation with you and just let
Thanks.
clients know what you have to offer. So tell me a little bit about
Yeah.
who you are and what you
Yeah. My name is Josh, or Josh for short, I guess.
do.
I'm an independent insurance broker with Goosehead Insurance.
hmm
And what that kind of means is I'm able to like shop around the entire insurance market for clients to try to get them the best deal possible whenever they're going through the home buying process.
Okay.
My little mantra is I really try to make it fun and educational. We go
Okay.
through all the coverages with clients,
Okay.
just to give them that peace of mind
Okay.
as they go into closing. I've been doing it for a little while now, and I enjoy it. I love helping people out wherever I can.
All right. Well, that's great. So, what is the difference? I know you mentioned that you're an insurance broker
Hmm.
and you can work with several different insurance companies and get
Yeah,
them the best deal. So,
absolutely.
what would be the benefit of going to you, Joshua, with Goosehead Insurance as opposed to someone just with State Farm or
Yeah.
others?
One of the definitely like the biggest benefit is we can kind of mix and match. So typically with like a State Farm, you can bundle all with
Okay.
like the State Farm products. The big benefit of working with us is we're almost like that, but we can bundle with Progressive Auto or a different home carrier like Sage Sure.
Okay.
And they give us like a different like a multi-policy discount from using us in the agency.
Okay.
So we're still able to get that discount even though you've got different carriers.
That's
And even
amazing.
sometimes, like with Progressive, we actually write more Progressive than they do themselves. So
Okay.
they actually give us better rates sometimes for clients. So sometimes we beat Progressive and what they already have with Progressive. There's definitely a lot of benefit. And we have a full time service team as well
Okay.
that helps service policies if they ever want to make any coverage changes, anything like that, because I'm forward facing and always interacting with the client.
Okay, that sounds
Yeah,
amazing. I had no idea about that information, so I'm sure they'll appreciate that. It's
hope
always
so.
good to just check, and he obviously can work with several different insurance companies, and
Yeah.
like he said, he has better deals than even Progressive. Sorry, Progressive. Um,
Right.
okay, so I know that you said that you can bundle different insurance policies. So
Hmm.
what types of insurance do you work with? What
Yeah.
do you carry?
So the big ones are going to be your home insurance, your auto
Okay.
insurance. A lot of people don't know about this one, but umbrella, which is
Right.
an excess liability. If you're ever in like an auto accident and you have like state minimum limits, we
Okay.
always try to bump you up to the highest coverage that we can in order to qualify you for like an umbrella to get that excess liability coverage.
Okay.
In the event that you are ever like found yourself in like a lawsuit,
Mm.
that liability coverage would help pay for that there.
Yeah.
And then ATV, RV, motorcycle, boat, like all the personal lines. We're
Okay.
doing mostly personal lines. We do have some contacts that do commercial, but we don't do too much commercial. But we do have a couple people that do that as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So my last question would be how do the clients initially sign up to get that initial quote and then
Hmm.
go into conversation with you?
Yeah. So there's a couple different ways. Um, you can either refer them over to me with like their email or
Okay.
their phone number. That's typically the easiest. Or on the back of my business card, there's a QR code which they can actually scan, plug in the information that they already kind of know. Then I get a direct email from that QR code scan
Okay.
once they fill in that info. Then I'll give them a call, go through everything with them one more time just to make sure everything is as accurate as possible to get them the most precise quotes whenever I go through that.
Okay.
And that gives me the time to build a little bit of rapport with the client, kind
Okay.
of make it more fun.
Right.
And then yeah, so those are the best ways. Is either like on the business card, my email signature has my like QR code link in it,
Okay.
or just the straight up referral from
Okay.
you. Yeah,
All right. Well, that
that's
sounds great.
yeah.
So when they do go in to get that initial quote, do they need anything to finish out the process and
Hmm. So the best things are going to be to have your current like auto policy and home policy.
okay.
Because whenever I try to mingle with a client, it's going to be looking at their entire insurance portfolio. Because my
Okay.
job is to put them in the best position possible. And I say that um, we look at the auto because that's going to get them the biggest bundle discount,
Okay.
especially when they're going through the home buying process. 9 times out of 10, I'm able to save them money,
Okay.
which is my favorite part of the job.
right.
But like to get an initial quote, it doesn't cost anything.
Okay.
Obviously, if you move forward with the process in getting a policy set up, you have to pay for the policy. Or if you put it through like your escrow account, then it gets dispersed monthly
Okay.
through the mortgage company.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's super exciting.
Yeah.
Well, as you heard, you can sign up with the QR code link, email, or myself personally can send you as a referral over to Joshua Smith
Yeah.
with Goosehead Insurance. If you have any further questions, how can they reach you, Joshua?
You can give me a call or a text at 704-386-6395, or my email is josh.smith@goosehead.com, or you can give Ramah a call and she'll give you my contact info as well.
All right. Well, thank you guys for watching and have a great day.
Thanks, y'all. Bye.